Welcome to New Car Latest Update. The 2025 Triumph TR6 is here, capturing the spirit of the classic British sports car while embracing modern automotive advancements. Triumph enthusiasts and new fans alike are in for a treat with this revitalized TR6, which combines nostalgic design with cutting-edge technology for a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is refined. Starting with its exterior, the 2025 Triumph TR6 draws inspiration from its 1960s predecessor but offers a sleeker, more aerodynamic look suited for the modern age. From its signature chrome grille to the sculpted curves along the body, every detail speaks to the rich heritage of Triumph's design language. The classic round headlights give the TR6 an iconic look, yet feature advanced LED technology for improved visibility and efficiency. With its low, wide stance and an array of color options that harken back to the golden era of British motoring, the TR6 is as much a visual statement as it is a performance machine. Moving inside, the TR6 interior combines old-world charm with state-of-the-art comfort and functionality. Traditional leather upholstery graces the seats, and the dashboard features a mix of analog-style dials with a digital interface for essential controls, allowing drivers to enjoy a modern experience without sacrificing the vintage feel. The compact, driver-focused cabin is packed with features that cater to both comfort and connectivity, from ergonomic seats to a responsive infotainment system complete with navigation, Bluetooth, and smartphone integration. This TR6 keeps the interior refined and classic, yet tech-savvy and connected to meet the demands of today's drivers. Under the hood, the 2025 TR6 is powered by a turbocharged inline-four engine that delivers impressive horsepower, promising both agility and efficiency. The engine delivers responsive acceleration, designed for the spirited driving style that has always defined the Triumph experience. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional automatic for those who prefer it, the TR6 provides a smooth and exhilarating drive. Equipped with a modern suspension system and upgraded braking, it feels stable and controlled, even when pushing it around sharp corners. This is a car made for those who appreciate performance, with quick steering that makes every twist and turn of the road feel engaging. The new TR6 doesn't just perform well, it also features advanced safety technologies to give drivers peace of mind. The car comes equipped with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. The reinforced frame and airbag setup ensure that safety remains a priority in this classic meets modern design. Triumph has also integrated a new traction control system to enhance stability, making the TR6 a versatile vehicle that handles well in a variety of road conditions. Environmental consciousness is another area where the 2025 TR6 has evolved. Triumph has designed this model to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency without compromising performance. Thanks to advanced engine tuning and lightweight materials used in its construction, the TR6 stands as an eco-friendlier option within the realm of high-performance sports cars. This approach aligns with the shifting expectations of automotive enthusiasts who now look for sustainability alongside. Thanks for watching.